everybody. Welcome to EDUC 130, Guiding Behavior Week 1. So thought I'd walk you through just some necessary things so you would know how to navigate the modules and the assignments for this week. I also wanted to put this video out there so you knew that it's just not super scary to record videos. It can be casual. As you can see, we're in my bedroom, which is where my home office is. My dogs are likely on the screen back there. You might hear from them. So when I ask you for videos, I want you to know I'm not talking about, like massively produced and edited products. Okay, just casual videos is what we're looking for here most of the time. So here we are on our home screen for 130 Child Guiding Behavior class. This is where you'll land when you click on the class in your dashboard. The most recent announcements will always be at the top. My email link is here. Also, you can go over here and inbox me there. Send me a message, go through people, send me a message, your replies will show up in inbox. When you use inbox, it helps me keep classes separate. So if you email my Big Bend email, you got to be really sure you tell me which class you're asking a question about, okay? There's my phone number to my office, which I sadly am not in right now. I don't know what's going to happen moving forward this quarter. Everything may be happening right here in the Zoom meeting room. So see this link right here? If you click on that link, it'll take you straight to the Zoom room. That's like a permanent place where I can be to meet with you via chat, via video. You don't have to put your face on the screen if you don't want to. You can just like instant chat. So that Zoom meeting is open Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday mornings for 2 hours each day. Right here you can see the time. And then also on Wednesday nights. So that's the time I promised to be there. If for some reason I can't, you'll get an announcement. Or if you show up and I'm not there, something could have happened. But this is when I plan to be there to meet with you. Notice that that's not private. Okay, so like anybody else from any other of my classes could show up as well. If you need to talk to me about something private, we can set up a personal Zoom meeting, sort of, although Zoom is a little overworked right now, so like that's getting tricky. So if it's real private, email might be the best, or even like a phone call or FaceTime. Even I have an iPhone, so I can FaceTime. Okay, so that's how you reach me. Here is your syllabus for this course, for this quarter. If you print that, please don't expect to use the calendar and the assignments as a checklist because it could change. It says it on the bottom of every page. That's my disclaimer that the course is likely to change. And in these crazy times, that is totally the case. Like, it's likely to change is very true. Okay, so that's your home page. When you come into the canvas, I know it's really tempting to go over here to the side. Your view looks a little different than mine. Go over here and use your to-do. On student view, it'll look a little more like yours. You're going to want to go over here to the to-dos and just start working, click, 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 right down those. Please go over to the side and click on modules so you can see one class at a time. Okay, otherwise each class gets mixed into your to-do list and it's just not as effective of a way to move through the material. So getting started, this is like welcome, and this one introduces me a little bit. Those of you that don't know me, here's some stuff about APA formatting. If you're struggling with that at all, this video is fantastic. This is my slideshow about how to do a good job on discussion boards. Some of you may have seen that if you've had me in other classes. If not, watch it for sure. If you did see it once, it wouldn't hurt to review. Oh, here's the video that introduces me and shows you some pictures of my kids and stuff. And then here's a place where I'm asking you to upload a practice video, just like, I don't know, put your cat on the screen, show me your dorm room, whatever you want to do, just something so you practice putting a video in so that when it's an assignment, it won't be as stressful. Okay, and then because I'm in student view and it's not published yet, you can't see, leave student view, week 1. By the time you're watching this video, of course, week 1 will be published. Here it is. So there's a learn section, which is this overview right here is where you got to the video that you're watching right now. These are my extra resources I collect for you. Really great websites, videos, fun things if you want to learn more. That's kind of what this one is too. I'm not sure why it's not in there. Anyways, here's the reading assignment. And then these PowerPoints are produced by the publisher of the book. So they really are just a review of everything you've read. It's not a bad idea to read your chapter and then like click through these slides and go, oh, I don't remember seeing that, because you can go back and review. Here's your to-dos, a couple discussion board, a reflection activity, and then the quiz that is not timed and is open book. So you only get one chance, and it's going to lock when it's due on April 12th at midnight. It locks, so you could miss the opportunity. But once you start it, you have plenty of time to look the answers up. It can be, like where you're reviewing through your text. That's totally okay. I'm not expecting you to memorize, like these PowerPoints or something as study guides. Okay, so this is a pretty typical week for this class, like some sort of discussion, some sort of activity, and a quiz. Some weeks, if we're reading extra, there won't be a discussion or there won't be an activity. It'll just be one or the other, and then the quiz to go with the reading. This course is going to have to evolve a little bit this quarter because of the quarantine orders. There's some field work in some of the assignments which we may not be able to do. So don't panic if you see some of that in the syllabus. Just know that we're going to be flexible and work through this quarter. It is my most important goal that you feel connected and involved in your education and that your life and career, everything is still moving forward. So I want everybody just to take a deep breath and know that we're going to get through this quarter. It's going to be good. And this class should not be high on your stress list. It's a 3-credit class. It's real interesting information, lots of videos, fun modes of learning it. So please don't let this class, this EDUC 130 class, be very high on your stress list, okay? So again, reach out, come to my Zoom room. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know how I can help you. The library is offering lots of support. The college is doing the best it can with getting things online. Don't really know what else to say except that. Stay home, stay well. I will see you soon.